Sometimes a little demonstration is worth a lot. So what I've done is I've added a hole into the housing for a little piece of wire that I can put in there, a little neater maybe, but I can put it in there, and yep, it rubs on the wheel while it would rub or touch the track. So this could give us powered rollers for S and O, which I understand O is probably more important, but I know some of the newer S's say they get power from the drive wheels. So if those wheels were powered, then your engine would get the power up through the wheels as it's intended. Or if it's a tender truck, the back end or something, then you could do that and have a contact and get power up. Whatever floats your boat. This is all relatively new to me. I know the vintage stuff real well, but not most of the current. It's too expensive. Okay, so that's the test. We can make contact with the groovy rolling road. Now, refinement and standardizing and blah, blah, blah. Okay, later, gang.